Hello everyone, thanks for stopping by the Camping Family Channel. Fred here. Today's topic is USB plugs. I'm out here in the Bounder, and I thought I'd do a video on some of the USB adapters that I've bought that I'm going to try to use here, and what I've, the good and the bad basically, because I definitely came across some bad. So I wanted to get this on a video just so maybe others save some money and time. Like what I encountered here. So I thought about upgrading a couple of the plugs here. Some of the plugs right above the dinette and the couch here. Basically is where everybody sits. So we're always plugged in, charging phones, whatever. And they don't have the USB built in. This is what you have in an RV. And I wanted to swap this out and put in the style that includes USB plugs. So where do you go? I decided to go the cheap route. You know, I'm a cheapie. I always go cheap. So went out to eBay, found the Chinese version of that, and bought 2 of them. This is what you get off eBay, off of the one seller. So I think you had an option of white or black, and I opted for the black. Went to install it. Looks okay. I mean, you get the 2 USB along with the 15 amp 120 volt, and started to install. And just because of the poor cheapness of the plastic and the metals, you couldn't even tighten down the cables in the clamps. I actually broke it just trying to tighten down that screw. What they have is there's a little metal plate inside here. I'm not sure if you can see it very well, but there's a little metal plate that gets crimped. I tried to crimp it on the wire, and it broke the piece of plastic that holds the screw in. So instantly, within 30 seconds, my $7 was scrap. Move that aside. So I bought 2 of them. I don't know what I'm going to do with this one. So then, I knew the other option was, this is what's sold at Home Depot and Lowe's. Actually, I think this was purchased at Home Depot. This is the Leviton. I think these are sold at Home Depot for about 20 bucks each. You can find them on eBay and other places. I think Amazon, I paid maybe 12 to 14. So twice the price of the Chinese knockoff. But I got to tell you, this thing is twice as heavy. Definitely has a lot more vents for cooling. So what you get with this is the standard wire standoffs. Heavy duty, heavy gauge. And this is your ground. This is what you want to get. I know it's a little bit more. Shop online and get the heavy duty model. Forget the Chinese knockoff. You're going to waste your money. I've installed 1 of these. I'm going to install 2 more. My daughter's been using one right above the couch. When she plugs in, I'll put one on the dinette for my wife. And I'm also going to put one right here on the passenger side. I'm going to move this, take this one off and put one right here. So that's the plan. Now, I may go a step further. I bought 2 of these. These are the quick chargers. USB only. 12 volt. Primarily these are for boats, marine applications, or RVs. Anything with 12 volt you want to put in USB plugs. What I wanted to do was mount it right here, right beside the cup holder. So that would give me 2 USBs right here, and I want to do it on the driver's side, right over by that cup holder. So I'll have a 12 volt USB that I can plug in on my side for driving, as well as anyone in the passengers will have an extra 2 USB plugs. So that's my second thought. So I don't know if I'm going to put this here in the passenger side or this. I guess we'll wait and see. But I have options. Primarily, what you want to stay away from is these Chinese knockoffs. I think I paid $7 on them, and it's absolute junk. Anyway, that's what I wanted to do a video on today. Hope everyone's having a great day, enjoying the summer. We're already approaching August quickly here in 2018, unfortunately. And boy, you just can't get out camping enough. So from the Camping Family Channel, until next time, thanks for stopping by.